Anya, and I stand behind Anusha Photography, and I'm a photographer. So my inspiration is basically female figure, beauty, nature, purity, light, romance, fairy tale. That's what inspires me, so you can see that in my work. Well, just like I mentioned, is basically when you look at my work is romantic, it's very whimsical, it's fairy tale-y, so I like to do a lot of blurs. I shoot women, I do theme photo shoots where it's all gorgeous makeup, there's a lot of flowers, there's nature all around. Actually, studio shoots bore me. I have to be out in nature, and I love to play with light. And then I just go and edit it. I edit in Photoshop, and to me it's like, okay, there's a picture, but I put it in Photoshop and then I paint on it. It's like a piece of art. So I see a picture and I'm thinking, what am I gonna do with it? And I never know what the outcome's gonna be. So I just paint on it, I darken it, I do crazy things with it, and then there it is. And I never rest till it's okay with me. It's like, okay, perfect. Well, I got like a professional camera for my 15th birthday, and I just went to town and I was shooting nature and horses because I love horses. But then 2 years into owning it, we went camping and I left the camera in the tent and it just got stolen. So then we moved to the US and I studied art. I did artistic woodworking, metalsmithing, gold, silver, all that. And it was not until I graduated I realized that, you know what, photography was my very first love. So the moment I got back to photography, it was like I found it. So then I started doing that, and like professionally, I think it's been going on in 2 years. So yeah, this is my first show. It's exciting. Well, I started a meetup group for photographers, and it's like 160 members now, and I do like theme shoots. So for example, one of the theme shoots we did was women warriors of the wilderness. That's how I called it. So we had a Celtic warrior, we had the Native American warrior, and we had a tomb rider. So it was a lot of fun. We went into Loomis, into the mountains and rocks, and we had really crazy outfits and makeup and hair and everything like gorgeously done, and we just went and shot, and some really cool outcomes, some really cool pictures from there. So that was one of the highlights. Well, I definitely want to show my work more. I want my work to be seen in galleries. I want people to look at my work and say, wow, I identify with that. I want it I want to look at it and I want it in my home. So that's where I want to be in galleries. I want to be out there. I want it to be in people's houses. Hi, my name is Anya and I'm a raw artist.